Hello, my fellow farmers. How is the business? Hope you are harvesting your profit. Or are you among those who are busy counting their losses? Well, if you are among those who are counting their losses on daily basis, their birds keep dying. That's what I mean. Please come closer. This video is specially prepared for you. Yes, for you to avoid or prevent your birds from dying, there are things you need to observe. Yes, we tag this video how to prevent your birds from dying. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, please do us that favor by hitting on subscription button, and as well hit on the notification button so that you can get many updates each time we come with interesting videos like this. For you to prevent your birds from dying, the first thing you need to do is, as you are buying your birds, buy your chick from a trusted farms. Yes, this is very important because this is where the journey starts. If you make that mistake and you buy your birds from anyhow farm or the farm that you do not trust me, you will run losses. And the reason for this is not far-fetched, because those farms, they treat their birds from the hatchery. Yes, on day one, there is a vaccine that is being administered to those birds before supplying it to their customers. So it is necessary you buy your chick from trusted farm. Number two is you give your chick adequate temperature. This is very important. Birds don't need cold weather and then don't like hot weather. In fact, they die more in rainy season, and in dry season same apply. So what do? You provide them with adequate temperature so as for you not to count losses. The third thing you do is vaccinate. Yes, it's very important you vaccinate your birds. Give them vaccination. It is very important because this prevents some diseases from attacking or some flu from entering your farm. So whenever it comes, it helps to fight those flu from infecting your birds. Like babies, we give our babies what we call immunization. Same applies to birds. You vaccinate them. Then number four is avoid suffocating your birds. This is very important. Most farmers, they use a small cage, small room, and they jam pack as many birds as possible. No, avoid that. Give your birds, like human being, we all need freedom, and birds tend to do much better in a space. So you avoid suffocating them so that you don't count losses. The next is keep their drinkers and feeders clean. Yes, the can they use for drinking water, make sure they are always neat. If the water is dirty, please turn it off, wash it, and do what? Make sure that it is clean. And same applies to the feeders. The next is to prevent your farm is another thing you need to do is what? Prevent your farm from infection. Yes, prevent them from infection. How do you do this? The way you do this, you don't introduce other birds from another farm into your poultry, and you make sure that your poultry farm is always neat. This is, by so doing, you have been able to protect your farm from infection. Then another thing you need to do is try and make sure that each time you administer drugs, vaccine to your birds, try and read the leaflet the same way we read the leaflet of our drugs. Do you know that most farmers abuse the same way human beings abuse drugs? Yes, same applies to some farmers. They administer drugs without looking for a veterinary doctor or a certified doctor or one who has been trained in that business so as to guide them through. They give whatever drugs, whatever vaccine, and they don't check. By so doing, this affects the health and well-being of their birds. Lastly, please protect your birds from predators. Yes, it is very important. Predators like cats, mouse, and other animals, please protect them. Even human beings, if they are not in a secure place, please you make sure that the whole environment is clean. If you do it, trust me, you will record much profit than losses. It's not every day you keep moving dead birds. So doing you will record profit. So if you find this video interesting, please hit the subscription button and notification button. And if there is any topic you want us to discuss that we are confused in the farm, please on the comments section, please do let us know and it will be treated here. Thank you so much for investing your time with us.